Hey guys, what's up? So Toby's showing you the top measures jailbreak tweaks for iOS 11, 12, and 13. Some of these do work, well, up 13.7. Some of these do work on iOS 14 as well. First tweak is called Eclipse for iOS 13. Customize your dark mode experience. This tweak is called LibHooker, support package for tweak injection on checkmate based jailbreaks, Fugu, or Checkra1n. This tweak is called Badge Color, and change the color of your badges along with the corner radius. This tweak is called Jailbreak Pro, and basically swipe up with 2 fingers and your springboard to use Jailbreak Pro switch or Jailbreak Pro icons. You get these features right here. This is called Camera Zoom Slider. Camera Zoom Slider, enable a new type of camera zoom slider. This is called Unicorn. Download videos. All these features right here for TikTok. This is called Musicer. And basically with this tweak, tweaks for YouTube Music app. So these features right here for it. This is called Courierizer 2, new and revisit version, brings in with the others, weather options like showing the current temperature, current conditions, and current location in real time as your courier. This is called Facebook Dark Mode, and this dark mode for Facebook. This is called Little Brother, scary device with more zoom levels and orientation options. This is called Lizard, ultimate Reddit tweak with powerful features. You can access the tweak settings in the Reddit settings page. Hide awards, show NSFW posts, hide streams. You have media options for features and other features. This is called Spark Essay for JB. Remove jailbreak detection for the Spark Essay app. This is called Hold Anywhere Widget mode. You can hold anywhere in the home screen and do widget mode just like with iOS 14. This is called Spotify More Popular Songs. Based on Spotify API, it shows you the main 5 songs on our artist page that won't show on mobile by default. So, pretty cool. This is called Better Settings. And basically, settings your way. Complete customization of the settings app, settings, custom color, cell shape, background image, text color, and more. This is called Current Bypass. Supports iOS 12 to 14.1. It's a current level of jailbreak detection bypass. So that's how you can run it. You also can just run it from the settings with the, you run all this basically from the settings. So it's a lot more easy to use now. And yeah, and then scrolling down, you have a change log. So first released and this update slightly tweaked of current bypass, allow more time to execute commands. This is called Live Phosphor Splash, and the library to handle splash screens for phosphor tweaks. This is called Screenshot Ets. It allows you to place screenshots inside a phone frame. So 2 iPhones set up to easily display a lock screen and springboards by your side or side by side. iOS supports iOS 9 to 14. And these are the updates right here. So it fits the right line when you blur the background to add more mockups. And this version fits a few images, add iPhone 12 mockups. This is called MyRed Beta. And basically, multitasking tweak. So your window mode, make an iPad Pro basically workstation, split view mode, giving your phone the freedom you should have before. You need these features right here, so pretty cool. This is called Magma Evo, and basically redefine the control center. This is called Magma Pro, tweak that lets you customize almost every color in your control center. And the last tweak is called MKTB Bypass and Bypass Mario Kart Tour Jailbreak Detection. So yeah, catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.